Introduction. Hey everyone, and welcome. In the fast-evolving world of artificial intelligence, a new name is generating a lot of buzz: Deepseek R1. You might have heard about it, perhaps even through channels like Study IQ. Today, we're going to break down what Deepseek R1 is, what it can do, and why it's capturing the attention of tech enthusiasts and potentially changing the AI landscape. Get ready to understand this exciting new AI model. What is Deepseek R1? A new player in the AI arena. At its core, Deepseek R1 is a cutting-edge large language model, or LLM. Think of it as a sophisticated AI that's been trained on massive amounts of text and code, enabling it to understand and generate human-like language for a wide range of tasks. Developed by the company Deepseek AI, this model is designed with a strong emphasis on reasoning and problem-solving capabilities. Key capabilities. What can Deepseek R1 do? Deepseek R1 boasts some impressive abilities. It's designed to excel in areas like complex reasoning, tackling intricate problems that require logical thinking and multi-step solutions. Mathematics. Solving mathematical problems with a high degree of accuracy. Coding. Understanding and generating computer code in various programming languages. General knowledge, answering questions, and providing information on a wide array of topics. Potentially multilingual tasks. While its primary training data is likely in English and Chinese, it shows promise in handling multiple languages. Why the hype? Performance and efficiency. So what makes Deepseek R1 stand out? Several factors contribute to the excitement surrounding it. Strong performance. Benchmarks suggest that Deepseek R1 can perform at a level comparable to or even surpassing some of the leading AI models currently available, including certain versions of OpenAI's GPT models, particularly in reasoning and math. Efficient architecture. Deepseek R1 utilizes a mixture of experts, MOE architecture. Imagine it as having a team of AI specialists, and the model intelligently routes your query to the most relevant expert within the network. This allows for high performance without needing to activate the entire massive model, leading to greater efficiency. Open source availability. Importantly for developers and researchers, Deepseek AI has made the weights of several versions of Deepseek R1 open source. This fosters collaboration, innovation, and wider accessibility to advanced AI technology. Cost effectiveness. Reports indicate that using Deepseek R1 could be significantly more cost-effective than some of its proprietary counterparts, potentially democratizing access to powerful AI capabilities. Study IQ and Deepseek R1. Why the connection? You might be wondering why we mentioned Study IQ. Study IQ is a popular platform known for providing educational content on a wide range of topics, including technology and current affairs. It's possible they have covered Deepseek R1 to explain its significance and implications to their audience, particularly in the context of technological advancements and their potential impact on various sectors, including education and the job market. The potential impact of Deepseek R1. The emergence of a high-performing, efficient, and openly accessible AI model like Deepseek R1 has significant implications. Accelerated innovation. Open access can lead to faster development of new AI-powered applications and services. Increased competition. A strong competitor can push the boundaries of AI technology and potentially drive down costs across the industry. Wider adoption. More affordable and accessible AI can empower individuals, small businesses, and researchers with cutting-edge tools. Conclusion: a promising step forward in AI. Deepseek R1 represents an exciting advancement in the field of artificial intelligence. Its strong performance, efficient design, and open-source nature position it as a significant player with the potential to drive further innovation and make advanced AI more accessible. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, Models like Deepseek R1 will undoubtedly play a crucial role in shaping the future. Outro. What are your thoughts on Deepseek R1 and its potential impact? Are you excited about the possibilities of more accessible and powerful AI? Share your opinions and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the latest technological breakthroughs. Thanks for watching.